Hey guys, Cameron at 816 Diesel doing a cold start walk around video today. A little bit different. We got a 2000 Toyota 4Runner Limited, 4-wheel drive, V6, nice little SUV, no rust, lifted, wheels, tires, all the goodies you like to see on these 4Runners. We're bringing you this clean one today. Like I said, it's a 2000 model. Snow and ice in Kansas City, about 20 degrees out, so it is a cold start today. Well, let's hop up here and check her out. 168,923 on the miles. As you can see, it is ice cold over there. Truck fires right up, no problems, no lights, no issues. These little Toyotas are bulletproof. They got a great following. They just last forever, and it's hard to find them unabused, unrusted. I mean, tough ones to find this clean, but we got one, so let's check it out. Limited edition, so it's got the sunroof, you got your wood grain and your manual shift 4-wheel drive, cup holders down there, parking brake. We've got an aftermarket, what is that, Alpine head unit with iPod connections and a auxiliary and USB. Let's see here. It's got your digital thermostats on there and your power rear window, which does work. And let's see here. Sunglass holder up top. It is a diff lock truck, so you've got the locking rear diff there, power mirrors, power locks, power windows. It does not have the heated seats. Has triple charging ports down there, 2 on the bottom and your cigarette lighter. Cruise control. Nice little truck though. All in all, it's in great condition overall. There's nothing mechanically wrong with it. We did a full service on it, new ball joints, new suspension. It has a high-end lift kit on it. We're going to explore that in a little bit here, but let's go ahead and go around and check out the rest of the truck. Motor runs great. There's no concerns to report under the hood. Minor rock chips on the front bumper, stuff like that, little scuffs that can't be avoided from the age. Just a little paint will fix all that. There's no actual body damage. There is a little dent in the hood right here, very small. You can kind of see it bows just a little bit. All honesty, that's about it. Wheels and tires are method wheels, and they are sitting on 285/75 16s, and I mean, they have amazing tread. They almost look brand new. We did not put this on here. This Jeep was modified, everything by the previous owner. We just serviced the suspension and put it up for sale. SPG adjustable ball joints, coil adjustable coil springs. Head to toe, a very nice truck. I know rust is important on these, so I want to kind of show you guys everything as far as the body goes. And unlock it here. Some of the trouble spots are right around here, which this one has none of. And let's take a look at the back seat while we're back here. We'll pop the hatch and go back that way, but let's have your rear fan speed, AC and heat changers, power windows, tinted windows in the back, that's factory. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do this with one hand here. Got your original mat back there. That's pretty much it, nothing too fancy. I love the power windows on these things on the rear though, they're pretty cool. And you got the deflector spoiler up there. You got luggage rack up top. All in all, this thing is in nice shape. Well, there's not a lot of damage to report besides just little rock chips here and there. Clean rockers, corners, very clean. Trying to show you guys everything I can find on here. But that's it, guys. If you got any questions, 816diesel.com. That's your one-stop shop for everything. Got your VIN number, pics, information. It's all on the website, 816diesel.com, including my contact information. Call or text me anytime on my cell, 913-735-3748. It is on the website, as well as our shop number, 816-298-7030. Let me know if you got any questions or if you want to come check this out. Delivery is available, so if you live far away, we can have it sent to you. A lot of times these go towards Colorado and California, where they're extremely popular still. But if you need anything, let me know, guys. We're happy to help. Don't miss this thing. It is a bad mamma jamma. Let me know what I can do to help, guys. Have a great week out there.